यस्तो गर्नु छ केही कारण मर्नु छ निरंतर चलना है हर कदम बढ़ाना है प्रजातंत्र सींचना है अधिकार छीनना है निरंतर चलना है हर कदम बढ़ाना है
Voters can make their choice by pressing button on an electronic voting machine. Voters will be counted on June 4th after the polling is done on April 19, 26, May 7, May 30, May 20, May 25 and June 1st. The voting age is 18 years and the contestant needs to be at least 25 years old. A total of 968 million voters are registered, out of which 497 million are men and 471 million are women. I would request the participants of the quiz to just stand and take the pledge to be a responsible citizen of India and ensure the polling very smoothly in your families and neighborhoods. Let's take a pledge. Stretch your hands. Women in 2024. I pledge to exercise my democratic right to vote as my contribution towards building a new India. I will also encourage my fellow Indians to exercise their democratic right to vote. I will ensure that my valuable vote goes towards developing India and making stronger. मैंने प्रतिज्ञा ली है कि मैं अपने आसपास जो भी 18 वर्ष और उससे अधिक के उम्र दराज होंगे उन सभी को भारत के एक जागरूक नागरिक के लिए अवेयर करते हुए मतदान करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करूंगी। धन्यवाद। विवेकानंद हाउस, आकांक्षा त्रिवेदी, वंश कपूर from Ramakrishna House, Sambhali, Priya Lakshmi from Rajaram Mohan Roy House, Ujjwal Kumar and Dev Anand. The first question for Dayanand House. Which article in the Constitution give provisions for the electoral system in our country? Yes.
Article 324 and 329.
Yes, the answer is correct. 324, 329. Question for Vivekanand House. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in Lok Sabha is 59, 79, 89 and 99.
89.
Wrong, it is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 79. Which article, the question for Ramakrishna House. Which article of Indian Constitution says that there will be an election commission in India? Article 124, 342, 3
in 5 years.
Yes, the answer is correct. Now, second round. Question for Diana Gauss. Members of the Election Commission are appointed by President of India, Prime Minister of India, elected by people, and Chief Justice of India.
A. President of India.
The answer is absolutely correct. President of India. Question for Vivekanand House. Elections in India for Parliament and state legislatures are conducted by President, State Election Commission, Governor, and Election Commission of India.
The Election Commission of India.
Exactly correct. Which of the following questions for Ramakrishna House? Which of the following is not a feature of election system in India? Universal electoral franchise, segment voting, reservation of seats in the legislature for members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, communal electorate. Option D, communal electorate. Correct answer. Now, the question for Rajaram Mohan House. Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general election by India? Delhi, Mumbai South, Kolkata Northwest, and Chandni Chowk Delhi.
It's option D, Chandni Chowk Delhi.
Exactly correct. Now, again the third round. Question for Dayanand House. Booth level agents can be appointed by returning officer RO, district election officer DEO, political party, and MLA. Question will be repeated. Booth level agents can be appointed by
C. Political party.
exactly correct. The answer is political party. Question for Vivekanand House. The counting of voters is done by using ballot unit, control unit, both A and B, and any of the above. The counting of voters is done by using ballot unit, control unit, both A and B, and any of the above.
Both A and B.
Sorry, it is the wrong answer, and the answer is correct. Control unit. The answer is control unit. Now, question for Ramakrishna House. The EVM is closed at the end of poll by candidate, returning officer, ERO, and polling officer in charge. The EVM is closed at the end by poll, candidate, returning officer, ERO, and polling. Only Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha, none of the above. The Indian Parliament consists of the following houses: only Lok Sabha, only Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, none of the above.
C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Yes, the option is correct. Here we go again to Dayanand House. For how many years an MLA is elected? 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and 7 years.
Option B. 5 years.
Answer is correct. Question for Vivekanand House. Which authority conducts election to Parliament? Parliament, Election Commission of India, Supreme Court, and State Election Commission.
Option B, Election Commission of India.
Yes, the answer.
ये हो गया था ना?
EVM after polling and before counting is kept in RO office, ERO office, strong room, and ECI office. RO office, ERO office, strong room, and ECI office. EVM after polling and before counting is kept in
D, ECI office.
D. No limit.
Exactly correct. There is no limit of the age after reaching here. Anyone can enroll their name. Question for Ram. Question from Vivekanand House. How many maximum candidates can be set in one ballot unit? 24, 16, 28 and 32.
Here 24.
No, the answer is wrong. And the correct answer is 16. EPIC, question for Ramakrishna House. EPIC does not contain facsimile signature of ERO, hologram, elector's photograph, and facsimile signature of DEO. EPIC does not contain facsimile signature of ERO, hologram, elector's photograph, facsimile signature of DEO. Question for Ramakrishna House. EPIC does not contain facsimile signature of ERO, hologram, elector's photograph, and facsimile signature of DEO. The answer is wrong. That is option D. Facsimile signature of DEO. Question for Rajaram Mohan Roy House. And the last question. Who is responsible for the preparation of electoral roll? RO, AERO, ERO, and BLO. Who is responsible for the preparation of electoral roll? RO, AERO, ERO, and BLO.
Option B, AERO.
No, that is wrong. And option C is the correct answer. ERO. Now here the quiz ends. Let's see the result. Ali sir will declare the result. The second is Ramakrishna as well as Rajaram Mohan Roy House. We are just having a question to prove who is the best among Vivekanand and Ramakrishna House. There will be one more question for them because we don't want to draw it. We want to see who is the second one and who will be the third one. Just first. The first is Dayanand. The second one is Ramakrishna and Rajaram. I would like the participants of Rajaram and Ramakrishna to be alert for one more question.
There will be one question to three questions. One question first of all you ask with you, and second question you ask with you. If both have given the correct answer, then we will go to the next level. Otherwise, we will decide. First question for Rajaram House. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality? Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality? A. Article 14, B. Article 19, Article 21, Article 32.
Article A40.
Yes, it is correct answer. Now it's time for Ramakrishna. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Which of the following is not a fundamental right? First number, right to equality. Second, right to freedom of speech and expression. Third one, right to property. B, right to protection of life and personal liberty.
Right to property.
Right to?
Property.
Yes, it is correct answer. Okay. Now one question is to be asked from both of them. Okay. This is the case of type. One question will be asked from the study to both of you. You have to raise your hand first. You have to raise your hand. The Right to Information Act passed in India.
2001.
It is wrong answer.
2002.
Yes, it is also wrong. requirement. Which of the following is not a feature of democratic government? A. Universal adult franchising. B. Protection of fundamental rights. C. Centralized decision making. D. Regular elections.
C.
Centralized decision making. Thus, our winner is
Second.
second position is Rajaram 1.